Ladies and gentlemen, he is the hero of the town city for the mighty Dexteros. He does a great. There he is, lightning bolt. Yeah, there he is, there he is, the hero of the scene of the Dexteros, and he's a nice man. There's no. He's a nice boy too. He'll save you whatever you're or you need help with. Hey everybody, how is everyone? I'm gonna take this home for you. This one for you, for Dexter, for the Dexter fans out there. And in this corner, the only one. Here he is. One thing, he'll get you those Cindy's on your belly. Oh, that looked kind of creepy. Well, the Sinistra's ugly MP. Something you know about this? When ugly MP is the only evilest known, don't let this Sinistra get you because you know you'll make you itch. Darn it, kids are nosy then. Now again. Now, no feeling. Well, thank you for having me. I got this one. Dexterous, Sinistras, don't talk for now. So look them out in 4, 3, 2, 1. Who will be the strongest stunt? Wait. Man, you're so good. Because I'm a superhero, that's one. You know. Well, there's no right here, but well, that's because it is. Well, you know things, and those Sydney soon. Ding! Round one's over then. No, those guys he'll get you. Isn't that right, Colonel? Isn't that right, Colonel? Yes. Those are no. Easy enough. Well, let's get to round 2. Ting! As you know, the miss of there, that ugly MP, but I'll get you now. Oh, there, just another. That again. I mean, this. Whoa. But you hold still. Whoa. Sorry, I'm just in here. I can't hear you. No. That's good. No. Take a taste of this. No. But he'll get. Well, have a taste on it. Well, taste on what? I just don't even feel anything. Well, What the? What a world is? Oh, ow. Oh my goodness. The ground where the oil made an itch. Yeah, no. Funny boy, look. Whoa. Oh, thank you, Pinky. Ding! Round 2 is over. Thank you to Pinky. We're We'll save it. We'll save it. You know what? What a strong hero. That's right. But well, let's see what's gonna happen on round 3. I don't know what's that. And another thing. Well, gets round 3. Thank you. Man, how can you know that? Well, you guys know what to say. Listen. There, let's get. So you ready? Lightning shuffle. One, you told. This is one for my people. Ooh, my fans. Ow. Of course, the lightning shovel will be. There goes Take that. That's the end of those Sinistras. Ding, ding, ding. Another victory for the Dexterous and a victory for Lightning Boy. Woohoo, yeah. Oh, yeah. There. Another victory here. Ooh. Well, that was a great match, everybody. Have a good night, everybody. Can we go now? I'll think about maybe. Alright, Colonel. Well, this is Thomas, so good night.